Oh, I can think of a few different funny experiences. So one of them would be when we were working in a plant that ended up being one of the largest producers of nuts in the world. And of all the things that I love, the one I don't love is pistachios. And who should be one of our largest customers that we work on that I literally get to jump into piles and piles of it? Pistachios. Another one that's interesting, I'm always amazed when we find customers that, for whatever reason, a lack of knowledge or whatever, don't take seriously the dust collection systems. I remember one time I had a customer we visited that made things out of wood, and during the system audit, we pointed out that they had a return air duct that came in, and they had a kind of homemade after filter assembly built on top of it. And when I pointed out that this was a fire explosion hazard for the combustible dust, I actually had one of the maintenance managers tell me, but why would it be a fire hazard? It's just wood dust. And that's kind of when I realized that they had bigger problems going on at that facility, that they didn't understand or have a knowledge that wood dust was combustible. So that kind of made me step back a little bit. Another experience, I guess it's not a single experience, but I remember when I first got started, as a young person, my generation, a lot of our generation really don't know much about working in the trades, industrial processes. At least all of my friends that I grew up with, everybody ended up being in a white collar position, things like that. So for me, it was very interesting the first couple of customers we went to learn just how much of the world relies on this other kind of non-spoken, unexplained part where everything's made. So in my first year or two working, I got to see factories where guitars were made. I got to go to coal power plants. I got to go to cement mills, big cement kilns. I got to work at one of the largest steel mills in the world. Also one of the largest aluminum facilities in the world. Seeing all of those different things from the backside really was interesting to me. I found it fascinating. I continue to find it fascinating when we go. A lot of times I feel like the little kid going into the chocolate factory, just looking up with my eyes, being amazed at what's being made in there. And I have to usually pull myself back and remember I'm there to look at a Baghouse. But it still surprises and amazes me until this day.